Welcome RV Dummies. Today we're going to show you Winnebago's brand new EKKO 23B. We're going to show you some of the features that I just found out in this rig. Like in the bathroom, you have sink and toilet. But where's the shower, you said? Well, simple as that. Just move the door and you got your shower.
Nice. This comes with a convection microwave oven, which is great. Decent storage for you to be able to put your pans and silverware, whatever you might need. A decent size sink to wash them dishes. The windows also have the day-night shade, so that's the day. And then you're going to have your night shades as well. Stepping back here, though, if you're mad at your partner, which I'm constantly in the doghouse, you can just sleep separately, or you can take these pads down and make this one very large bed. On top of that, we're going to have... I don't think it's supposed to do that. Okay. On top of that, we've got storage. More and more storage. And all the windows have that day-night shade, so you can choose which one you want. Now let's look at the front.
Right here we have the dinette. It has a small table. Apparently you can break out the table if you need a shorter.
So we were trying to figure this whole beautiful coach out ourselves, and luckily somebody came to our rescue. I'd like to introduce Brian. You're with Winnebago, is that correct?
Yes.
And what do you do with Winnebago?
I'm the product planner for our compact Class C models, which includes the EKKO.
Ah, so you're the one
Yes.
possibly to blame for this?
Could be, yeah.
Could be. All
Yep,
right.
yep.
Well, so far, what we've been discovering, it's a beautiful, beautiful layout.
Mm-hmm.
You had actually came up because I was trying to figure out this table here, and you were trying to explain to me how it works. Could you do that one more time?
Sure. This is one of the 5 different positions that this lounge area can be set up in. This is kind of the travel mode where the cab seats are facing forward. There's a lap belt seating position here, but then there's a forward facing with a 3-point seat belt over here. So somebody can be sitting here and working or while they're traveling, or one of the kids can be here drawing or playing games or whatever. Another one of the, if you swivel this driver's seat around and face it completely rearward, now you have a dining space for 2 people, and you still have a side-facing sofa over here.
Very nice.
The third mode is you can take this, fold the extension down, lift this up, drop it down. Now you can take these cushions here, and now you've created 2 side-facing sofas here.
That's nice. I like that.
Nice.
That's nice. I like that a lot.
And then when you swivel the cab seats around, now you can have a large U-shaped lounge area here.
Well, how about that?
Yeah.
I like that idea.
And now if you have the cab seat swiveled around, or even if you don't, you want to set this up for eating or entertaining, playing games. There's a leg back here.
Ah, the hidden
And
table.
a separate table that's stored right in there. So you just set this up in here like this, and now the table moves this way, or it can rotate around.
I like that.
So now with the cab seats swiveled around, you can have a large U-shaped dining space, table space for up to 5 people.
You can fit more people in here than I can fit my 5th wheel. Now, one question I did have while I got you. I read on the sign outside that there's a 1-top burner. Is that on the outside or is that on the inside?
No, there's a, and I see they must have removed it, but there's a single portable induction cooktop that stores in this top drawer.
Okay.
And you can just set it here and then plug it into the outlet there.
So I want to show you guys some of the features on the outside of this thing because it's pretty neat. Come on. One of the first things that caught my eye on this is the incredible storage for a rig this size. They offer pass-through storage with even a door on the back that you could fit a lot of large items that you'd probably use on vacation. So that's pretty neat to start off with. And if you look up here above me, this is an awning that will swing around to the back of the RV and give you a decent amount of coverage right outside your RV where you need it, so you can sunbathe or however you might use it. There's also an awning on the other side. Then you've got your water bay. And what I like about this water bay is everything is in one easy to use spot, completely sealed off from the rest of the rig. And it seems pretty simplified, with even little rag hangers here if you wanted to while you're cleaning up your hoses, putting away. It's a pretty neat thought there. It's got a Furrion plug on it and lots more storage wherever they could fit it. Easy access to your pumps if you need to change them out, and a generator. A 2500 Onan generator. It should be more than enough to power anything this needs. And then batteries. So this is really set up for a boondocking occasion, traveling off the grid as often as you can. Now let's check out the other side. This is that door I was talking about with the storage to the back. So you got multiple ways you can load your toys in if you need it. A towing hitch on the back. You've got a Truma on-demand hot water heater. Your propane tanks are stored over here with two 20-pound propane tanks, as well as an additional gas hookup. So you can hook up your propane fireplaces or maybe your barbecues right outside here. Another storage area that you can probably put your shoes or other items right near the door if you need it, boots or something. Full cable and a 12-volt hookup. So that was just a quick look at the Winnebago EKKO 23B. If you'd like to find out more about this specific vehicle, you can come by and see it live here at the Tampa RV SuperShow till the 21st, or you can always go to Winnebago's website where you can get in-depth details about this rig. If you like this video and you want to watch more content like this, click on this video next.